Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare with one of the best Jade Facial Rollers available in the market. Get ready to discover the secrets behind the ROSELYNBOUTIQUE Cryotherapy Gua Sha Facial Tools Ice Roller for Face Wrinkles Massager. This innovative tool is designed to elevate your skincare routine to the next level. Crafted by ROSELYNBOUTIQUE, a trusted name in the skincare industry, this Jade Roller isn't your average facial massager. It's a comprehensive solution for reducing wrinkles, puffiness, and promoting radiant skin. Let's delve into its features. Firstly, the ice roller component. This roller is a game changer when it comes to reducing puffiness and inflammation. Simply pop it in the freezer, and it becomes your go-to tool for refreshing and revitalizing your skin. But that's not all. The Gua Sha tool included in this set is a fantastic addition. It promotes blood flow, clears pores, and enhances the effectiveness of your skincare products. Plus, the coolness of the Gua Sha tool helps to seal in moisture, leaving your skin feeling rejuvenated. Don't just take our word for it. Customers around the globe have been raving about the results they've seen with the ROSELYNBOUTIQUE Cryotherapy Gua Sha Facial Tools Ice Roller. From reducing redness to improving overall skin texture, this tool is a must-have in any skincare arsenal. And there you have it, folks. If you're ready to take your skincare routine to the next level, look no further than the ROSELYNBOUTIQUE Cryotherapy Gua Sha Facial Tools Ice Roller. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.